Good morning बच्चों. Today we will discuss hydrides of group number 17 and group number 16. Group number 17 hydrides are HF, HCl, HBr and HI. We will discuss the properties like melting point, boiling point, bond length, bond dissociation enthalpy and pKa. Let us start with melting point. See the melting point of HCl, it is 159 K, HBr is 185 K, HI is 222 K. That means from HCl to HI the melting point increases. But the HF shows the exceptional behavior who has higher melting point than HCl and HBr. Similarly, in case of boiling point, you can see that the boiling point increases from HCl to HI, but again here the HF shows the exceptional behavior who has a highest boiling point among all the hydrogen halides. Next is bond length. Bond length increases from HF to HI. Next is bond dissociation enthalpy. HF has highest bond dissociation enthalpy while HI has lowest bond dissociation enthalpy. Next is pKa. The pKa of HF is highest while HI is lowest. Let us now discuss these properties in detail. First property is melting point. Melting point here depends upon two factors. One is van der Waals forces and second is hydrogen bonding. As you can see here, the HF has hydrogen bonding in it. The HF molecules are joined together by intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which increases its melting point. Then HCl and HBr. Leave HF. If you see from HCl to HBr to HI, the melting point continuously increases. The reason behind it is the increase in size results in increase in van der Waals forces. As you can see, HI has biggest size, so it will have maximum van der Waals forces. Therefore, it will have highest melting point. So, out of HCl, HBr and HI, the HI has highest melting point. But who shows the exceptional behavior? Answer is HF. HF should have lower melting point, but its melting point is higher than that of HCl and HBr due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding between its molecules. Now, second property is dipole moment. As we know that fluorine is most electronegative element among all the halogens. Therefore, it will have polar bond. No doubt polar bonds are present in HCl also, HBr also and HI also. But the bond polarity is maximum in HF due to its high electronegativity of fluorine. Therefore, it have highest dipole moment while HI has lowest dipole moment. So, if I want to arrange it in increasing order of dipole moment, then HI will have lowest dipole moment, HBr will have higher dipole moment, HCl will have greater dipole moment than HBr and HF will have highest dipole moment. Physical state. Except for HF, all other hydrogen halides are gases. Again here the HF shows exceptional behavior. It is liquid because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Next physical property is boiling point. You can see in this graph which is between boiling point and hydrogen halide. Look at the graph in blue line. You can see here the HF has highest boiling point while HCl has least boiling point. Again, the reason for highest boiling point of HF is due to strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. But from HCl to HBr to HI, the boiling point continuously increases due to increase in magnitude of van der Waals forces, which depends upon the size. As you know that HI has greatest size, therefore magnitude of van der Waals forces will be more. Hence, HI will have higher boiling point than that of HCl, HBr, and you can see the order here also. HCl has lowest boiling point, HBr has higher boiling point, HI has still higher boiling point, and HF has highest boiling point. This question generally comes in arrange in increasing order of boiling point. Next is order of reactivity. HF is least reactive hydrogen halide while HI is highly reactive hydrogen halide. Bond enthalpies. Bond enthalpy means it is the amount of energy which is required to break 1 mole of bond present in a molecule. Here you can see that the bond enthalpy of HF is highest while HI is lowest. That means the bond between hydrogen and fluorine is strongest one, while the bond between H and I is weakest one. Therefore, the bond between H and I can be easily broken, and hence it is highly reactive also. Next, very important question which generally comes as arrange the following is acidic character. HF is least acidic while HI is most acidic. The reason behind it is the low bond dissociation enthalpy of HI bond. HI के केस में बॉन्ड जो है वो वीक है, बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एंथैल्पी लो है, तो वो ईजिली ब्रेक होने के बाद H पॉजिटिव आइंस दे देगा. Hence HI is highly acidic among all the hydrogen halide, while in case of HF the bond is stronger one, thus its bond dissociation enthalpy is highest and its acidic character is lowest. So HF is weakest acid while HI is strongest acid among hydrogen halides. Let us see the thermal stability. Thermal stability depends upon bond dissociation enthalpy. As we know that the bond dissociation enthalpy of HF is maximum, so it will be highly thermal stable, while HI has least bond dissociation enthalpy, therefore its thermal stability will be least. So if I want to arrange in decreasing order of thermal stability, the HF will have maximum thermal stability, HCl will have lesser thermal stability, HBr will have still lesser thermal stability, and HI is least thermally stable. Next is reducing character. Reducing character depends upon tendency to give H. How easily a acid can give H? As you know that HI has least thermal stability, its bond dissociation enthalpy is low, hence it can easily give H, and hence it will act as strongest reducing agent. तो HI जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है और HF सबसे कम रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है इन चारों में से, क्योंकि HF के केस में जो बॉन्ड है दैट इज़ स्ट्रॉन्गर वन, वो ईज़िली ब्रेक नहीं होगा, तो वो H ईज़िली नहीं देगा फॉर रिडक्शन. नाउ द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ हाइड्राइड्स ऑफ ग्रुप 16 एलिमेंट्स. Group 16 elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. The hydrides of group 16 are H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TE. Let us see the melting point. Melting point of water is 273. H2S is lower, that is 188. Again, if you see from H2S to H2SE and H2TE, the melting point goes on increasing. That means H2S has lowest melting point, H2SE has higher melting point, H2TE has still higher melting point, but exceptional behavior is shown by water which has a highest melting point. Similar trend is observed in case of boiling point. Water has highest boiling point and H2S has lowest boiling point. Next is HE distance. As the size of oxygen is smaller, so distance between H and O is less, while in case of H2TE, HE distance is largest. Next is bond angle. As you can see here, the water has bond angle 104, and from water to H2TE, the bond angle goes on decreasing. Next is bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy of water is highest, while H2TE is lowest. Next is dissociation constant Ka. The dissociation constant of water is 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 16, while for H2TE is 2.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. That means the value of dissociation constant is increasing for H2TE. Dissociation constant is something related to acidity of these hydrides. Let us discuss the properties in detail. First property is melting point. Melting point in case of covalent compounds depends upon the size. Greater the size, more will be the van der Waals forces, thus higher will be the melting point. But here the exceptional behavior is shown by water. Water, due to hydrogen bonding, it has a highest melting point, while if you see H2S, H2SE, H2TE, in case of H2TE, it has bigger size among the three hydrides, so it will have higher magnitude of van der Waals forces, therefore it has higher melting and boiling point. So increasing order of melting and boiling point is H2S has lesser van der Waals forces, so lower melting point. H2SE has greater size, so more van der Waals forces, so more melting point. H2TE still has higher melting point due to bigger size, but exceptional behavior is shown by water, which has highest melting point due to hydrogen bonding. Same trend is seen in case of boiling point. You can see the red color curve is for the boiling point of hydrides of group number 16. Here you can see water has highest boiling point, that is 100, H2S has least boiling point, and H2TE has higher boiling point than that of H2S and H2SE. Again, here the boiling point depends upon the magnitude of van der Waals forces, which is greater in H2TE. So H2TE has higher boiling point than that of H2S and H2SE, while water shows the exceptional behavior due to hydrogen bonding. That is, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is responsible for its highest boiling point. Let us see the shape of group number 16 hydrides. All of them, they have sp3 hybridization. In case of sp3 hybridization, we have 4 bonds, but here in case of water we have only 2 bonds with oxygen. That is, the 2 bonds are formed with 2 hydrogen with oxygen, and 2 positions are occupied by lone pair. That means here we are having 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair, and the shape is bent and the bond angle is 104.45 degree. The water has highest bond angle. The reason behind it is the small size of oxygen. Due to the small size of oxygen, the repulsion between bond pair and bond pair increases. Therefore, it has a highest bond angle. But when we move down, the size of element, that is tellurium, increases. So bond pair electron get away from each other, so repulsion is minimized, hence its bond angle is lower. Therefore, you can see that the highest bond angle is shown by water and the lowest one is shown by H2TE. Next is thermal stability. Thermal stability depends upon bond strength. Stronger the bond, more will be the thermal stability. As we have seen earlier in the table, the bond dissociation enthalpy of OH bond is maximum. It is highest. As the bond is strong, so it will have highest thermal stability, while in case of H2TE, the bond between small hydrogen and big size tellurium is weak, so its thermal stability is less. Next is reducing character. Reducing character depends upon tendency to reduce others. That means it depends how easily these hydrides can give H. Here you have seen earlier H2TE is least thermally stable. Its bond is weakest. Its bond dissociation enthalpy is lowest. Hence it can easily give H, thus will behave like a strongest reducing agent among all the hydrides of group 16, while water will have least reducing character. This is the increasing order of reducing character. Next is acidic character. Again, acidic character depends upon bond dissociation enthalpy. H2TE has lowest bond dissociation enthalpy, therefore it can easily give H positive, so its acidic character will be maximum, and it is shown in the table earlier also that it has highest Ka, dissociation constant. Therefore H2TE is stronger acid, while water is weaker acid among them. Next is basic character. Basic character is just reverse of acidic character. Out of all of them, water is better base. Otherwise we know that water is neutral, but it shows amphoteric behavior due to presence of its lone pair. It will show its basic character. And H2TE, because its acidic character is highest, so its basic character will be lowest. Thus we will conclude that bond length increases down the group, bond dissociation enthalpy or energy decreases down the group, therefore volatility decreases down the group, reducing character, acidic character increases down the group. Thus note these. First is the acidic character. It is increasing order of acidic character. Here polonium is radioactive, so if we compare only 4 मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो वाटर जो है लीस्ट एसिडिक है और H2TE इज़ मोस्ट एसिडिक. सिमिलर ट्रेंड इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन केस ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग नेचर एंड रिवर्स ट्रेंड इज ऑब्जर्व इन केस ऑफ थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी. थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी में वी हैव गिवन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.